let's go to the multiple windows. Okay, so the second program is not required. Okay, so here,
Okay.
what is a multiple windows concept? First, we will discuss.
Okay.
First of all, I'm opening my RNHRM application URL in this program. Okay, like this. One second, I will call all other. Okay, so first of all, I invoke my RNHRM application URL in my scripting. After that, I'm invoking my google.com page by using JavaScript executor. So if you want to add open one more new tab, we have to use JavaScript executor only. Okay, if you write driver.getTest URL, what will happen? In the current URL only, google.com page will be open and it will be overwritten. Okay,
Uh,
so if you
okay.
want to open a new tab, we have to
Hmm.
write like this. Okay, now we understood the new window is open and there are two tabs are there in
So
tab
new window or new tab?
new tab. I can say new window means this is a new tab. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so there are right now in the tab 0, this is the
Hmm.
orange HRM application URL is there, and in tab 1 this is the google.com page is there. Okay, now my driver need to switch from one tab to another tab. So how to switch, okay,
Hmm.
among multiple tabs, that concept we are discussing now. So just I'm creating an object as tabs is equal to driver dot window handles. So right now there are two windows. So this is the first
Hmm.
window, this is the second window. So all the tabs information will be saved in this tabs object. And if I want to switch driver dot switch to dot window of tabs dot zero means right now when this google code dot page is invoked, my driver is at
Hmm.
google.com page. Again, if I
Hmm.
want to go back, I want to enter username and password. I need to switch my driver dot switch to dot
Oh, okay.
window of tabs dot zero. And what is the title of this title I want to print? I want to ensure I'm on the correct page or not. So the title is here orange HRM. So just I'm capturing my title, driver dot title and print title. That title I'm printing. I'm ensuring am I on the current page or not. So here in the console, we can able to see that orange HRM title will be printed. And
Hmm.
after that, I'm entering username and password. And again I want to go back to the google page, and
Hmm.
I want to print my google.com web page. Okay, so to print, to navigate to second tab, driver dot switch to dot window of tabs of one I need to write. So it will go to here, and the title of this web page is google here, so that
Hmm.
google will be printed in the console. Okay, so when there are multiple sessions, and so this scenario when it will come, suppose let's take an amazon application. If you are clicking on some product hyperlink, it is open some new window. Okay, means new tab. Okay, there you need to enter some product background details, product feedback and all those things. And after that
Hmm.
you want to click on submit button, and again it will be redirected to first form. Okay, to the
Hmm.
main form. So in such cases, we have to use this command. You have to use this concept. So this is the very very most important question in the interview, Selenium interviews.
Hmm.
How do you handle multiple windows? So this is the 100% interview questions.
Hmm. Hmm.
So just we need to tell line number 14 and line number 17 and line number 24. Okay. So like
Okay.
that, after that we need to write corresponding set of driver instructions. So it will execute accordingly. Okay. Now let's run this program. So again, it will switch to the Orange HRM website. Oh, it's already done and it's came back.
Hmm.
This value is already entered and it's came back here.
Right.
Okay. And this first time the Orange HRM title is printed. Okay.
Hmm.
And second time Google page title is printed here. So now we are understanding how driver is switching from among multiple windows. So this scenario we need to handle whenever while automating. If your scenario, if there is any new windows are opening, just we need to refer this lab. That's it.